Hey guys, alright, I'm glad to see you on my channel, and this is day number 18 how I speak English every single day. Today we got some accident, honestly, alright, because I don't have access to filming video in my room right now. My roommate is sleeping here. Oh my god, it's so windy in the street. Windy, bro, windy, because it's spring and night and snowing around, but beautiful skyscrapers behind me. It's Moscow. Weather not pleasant, I'm gonna be honest. But anyway, I'm not gonna stop doing this challenge, and just walking around the street also good way of spending time, especially in the evening after a bit difficult day at university. Just walk around and look at the nature, but what is nature? Look at the city, the people and cars. And today I'm also about answering IELTS speaking questions like every single previous days, so it's not gonna be exclusive. Alright. And the first question, as strange as it may seem, this is what's your favorite season? Alright, my favorite season is definitely summer. Summer, this is balmy season, balmy evenings when it's sun, clear blue sky, everything is tree is blooms, tree, green city. And even in Russia, no matter that the winter here is difficult and it's awful, but summer in Moscow is something incredible. It's enjoyable like, I don't know, like nowhere in the world. So summer, my favorite season. Let's continue. Question number 2, different seasons in my country. Just standard. Oh my god, I'm hope car not gonna hit me. Just 4 standard seasons, and mostly the weather like this, because all the Russia takes place in the more northern part of the world, northern climate. So 3 months, alright, approximately 5 months of warm, pleasant, hot weather, but the rest, this everything like this rainy. Not everyone can handle this kind of weather. Yeah guys, of course I do play sports, volleyball, basketball, hockey, and especially football, my favorite sport. And we planning to get football competition in our university between dormitories, like a big tournament. Who is the best? What is the best dormitory in football? We're gonna figure it out, bro. It looks so beautiful. Anyway, deliveries everywhere, just crazy world. Deliveries everywhere. It's dangerous for pedestrians, bro. As for TV, I used to watch sports on TV when I lived in my home, in my hometown, in my house where I was born. But now I live in dormitory and we just don't have a TV. Don't have this opportunity. But instead of TV, just sometimes we use football, USL, Champions League. I mean, on the laptop, that's not a problem. The last place was I visited on holiday. It was my home in Belgorod, hometown, small town, Russia. I visited on a New Year holidays. We got 10 days, like summer or winter break at university, and this time I dedicated to visit my family house, just meeting with friends, with my relevance. It was nice, yeah. Where, if you talk about place in this world, because I would like visit back again Egypt, bro, because when I was in Egypt I was a really little kid, but in my memory is still incredible, just memorization. And this, bro, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna lie, Egypt is awesome country. I used to swim in the Red Sea. These corals, bro, what's going on in here? Cars everywhere. It's so windy. Help me, guys, someone. And corals, this beach, sands, palms. It was just awesome. I'm gonna sit again and just feel it. Just put it through myself, put it through my soul again one more time, and obviously see the pyramids. Right now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't enjoy watch TV, because when I go to my house and I see this TV, like, it's normal. I used to watch TV the whole my childhood, yeah. But after living without television in dormitory for 2 years, I feel that I hate TV. I don't like it at all. This noisy, annoying commercials every single time. This news, for what should I know this news about this world? Whole of propaganda, garbage for your brain. That's like destroy your brain. Your ways of thinking is going to be worse. On TV, I figured out you literally rarely can find some truly useful news, useful programs. There is no educational programs. There is no something that can you develop yourself to growing up like personality. Hi guys, this kind of thoughts was today from me. I hope you enjoyed this. No matter the weather is bad, but life is great. Our planet is great, and learning languages is great. So, okay, stop watching TV, watch educational video, learn languages. Let's love nature, even if this rain, if the snow, but our planet is something wonderful.